In this lesson, let's begin building the ammo on the wings. Now we can just select the wing itself. We need to convert it now into a NURB, so if you remember the last lesson, all you have to do is make sure we're in sub D mode, which it is, and right click on the convert icon. There we go. Notice that's a little close to the arm here, so we can just simply pull it back just a tiny bit, which is not bad still. You can take it and mirror it to the other side. But you know what, I'm going to do that in a little bit. Actually, we do have some stuff to do to it, so I'm going to select both wings and boolean it to the actual body as one piece. We need to create a couple of things on the wing itself. Draw some sort of support system. Draw a simple triangle just like this. Slide it a little bit to the left and see what it looks like. We'll do an extrude roughly this wide. Make sure solid is set to yes. And just pull it this much. And delete the curve, and we can actually scale it a little narrower. And I'm going to toggle back to C-plane mode. Pull it down, pull it in. Give it a chamfer. Let's pull one here. Tap the Alt key really quick so you can make another copy. And this one you can actually pull back. And let's take both and mirror it to the other side. Select the body and do a boolean union one more time. Very nice. Okay. Make sure you apply it back to the layer. So beginning with this, all you have to do is draw a 3-point circle. If I could find it, there it is. Click here, here, and approximately here. Got quite a few circles we need to create, so one way we can accomplish that, draw a line coming to this direction. I'm going to scale it a little longer. Draw a circle from here. Let's move everything up. There we go. Take this circle and we'll do a copy. Put it right here. And to get the exact spacing, all I'll do is select this circle, copy it from here, and select this one. Now if we want, we can make multiples by selecting these two and pulling this right around to here. And we could take these with the line. Let's move it across to here. Should be close. You kind of want to get this triangular shape going. So I'm going to pull it here. That's about right. Tap the Alt key. Now we can make multiple copies. So F7 for copy. And let's snap it to here, here, and finally here. I think we have it about right. So I can delete these. And we could delete these, and we have a perfect hexagonal pattern. I'm going to take this curve and pull it forward to right about there. Select the outside circle. I'm going to move the gumball back. Hold the control key so I can create an extrusion. Let's make this a cap. Select all the curves on the inside. We'll do a extrude surface command with solid set to yes and just go all the way in. And we'll do a Boolean difference. Select all these tubes, right click, and we can delete them now. I'll select all the curves and delete it. Now we can go to chamfer, edge, take this guy and give it some bevel. We'll run it again. This time I'll go with 0.05. We'll do the inside tubes here. It looks good. Duplicate this layer. We'll call this wing ammo A. Actually, it could just be wing ammo and give a color like pink. Actually, I'll pick a different color because I'm already using pink. Let's go with a cyan. All right. Followed by this cannon here. We'll draw a circle. I feel like we can just mirror it from here to the other side. Draw a reference point, a reference line in the middle. Draw a rectangle, a rounded rectangle. We'll snap it to, actually make sure you select center. Snap to the center here. Let's pull out and let's pull it in. Not too rounded, so there is a good location. Take these two, pull it forward. Take him and do an offset going in. I'll stick with this. That's a good distance. We'll take both. We'll do an extrude surface. Make sure you're only going one direction, not both sides. And pull it back. You can take this outside curve here, pull it back a tiny bit. Do an extrude surface again, roughly to here. That looks good. Now we can, I want to actually delete this tube here. We'll mirror it later. We'll do an extract isocurve, snap to here, toggle the direction, and pull it right about to here. Split the tube with these two cutters. Let's do an offset surface. I'll go with 0.2, see what that happens. It's actually not bad. Now we can do a chamfer edge. It's not bad. And we'll chamfer this here and chamfer the front. Now we can take both and we'll do a mirror from the midpoint of this surface. And there it is. Select all the curves, delete it. Select these surfaces. Now we can take this group and pull it down. Make a copy. Not bad. In the next lesson, we will build the connectors for the ammo on the wings.